All right, this is first grade math topic 5. We're going to be working with addition and subtraction equations. Again, equations is just a nice fancy word for saying a math sentence. This has some ideas on the front for doing a math and science project if you'd like to. We're going to be doing our animal reports, so you don't really need to do this, but if it's something you'd like to do, you're welcome to. First of all, we're going to start off by doing our review. So we're going to review what we know. Vocabulary. Circle the addends in the equation. So addends are the numbers that we are adding together. So we are adding together 4 and 5. 4 and 5 are our addends because we know that 9 is our sum of our two addends. Okay? Number 2. Circle the equation that is a related fact for 10 minus 8 equals 2. So we want to make sure it has a 10, an 8, and a 2. So let's see, this one has an 8, 8, 8, yep, that matches. This has a 6. So we know right away this whole equation is not going to work. But this one has an 8, this one has an 8, this one has a 2, that one has a 2, that one has a 10, that one has a 10. Now we need to check it. 10 minus 8 is 2. That's correct. And 8 plus 2 is 10. Yep. So this one is going to be our correct one. Okay, number 3. Circle the number that will complete the fact family. So the fact family, we need to find the one number that makes every single one of these equations correct. So we have 3 plus something equals 10. Something plus 3 equals 10. 10 minus 3 equals something. And 10 minus something equals 3. So let's try 8. 3 plus 8 equals, well, 3 plus 8 equals 11. So we know it's not going to be 8. 3 plus 14 equals 10. Well, we know right away that can't work because 10 is our sum and 14, that's greater than our sum. So we know that doesn't work. Plus 3 plus 14 equals 17. Okay, 3 plus 7 equals 10. 3 plus 7 equals 10 is true. So now let's double check. 7 plus 3 equals 10. Yep. 10 minus 3 equals 7. Yep. 10 minus 7 equals 3. Yep. So we know it's going to be 7. That helps complete our fact family. Okay, our subtraction stories. These are always fun. I enjoy doing these. Okay. We can use cubes to solve, or you can draw pictures. 8 squirrels are sitting on the ground. 5 are eating acorns. How many squirrels are not eating acorns? We know 8 squirrels is our total, minus 5 that are eating acorns gives us the leftover. So 8 minus 5, you can draw 8 dots and subtract 5. You can put up 8 fingers and subtract 5. Your answer is going to be 3. And when you subtract, your answer is called a difference. When you add, it's called a sum. Brett has 5 markers. So he has 5 markers. Pablo has 3 markers. How many more markers does Brett have than Pablo? So Brett has 5 markers. Pablo has 3. So we're going to subtract 5 minus 3. 1, 2, 3. Lets us know that he has 2 more markers than Pablo. Okay? Related facts. Write the related subtraction facts. So we have 9 equals 4 plus 5. So on this one, we can do 4 equals 9 minus 5. And we could also do 5 equals 9 minus 4. So we're just going to take them, scramble them together a little bit, and come up with the new answer. Okay, so that's just a review of what we've been working on. We're going to go ahead and go to lesson 5-1. Find the unknown numbers. Okay? So find the missing number in this equation. 7 plus something equals 13. Explain how you found the missing number. Well, what I like to do is kind of count up. We could do a number line if we wanted to. We could start at 7. We could count up to 13. We could go 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And then we can count how many hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I know that 7 plus 6 hops equals 13. I could just draw dots. I could start at 7 and go 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I could count backwards. I could go 13 minus 7. So I could go 13 minus 7 equals 6. So we can count up. So we're going to learn some different strategies on helping us find unknown numbers. So let's go ahead and flip to the next page with our comic strip on it here. And it says, look at this problem. 12 minus something equals 3. This means that 12 take away some number is the same as 3. So you can use counters. So you can put up 12, circles and cross out 9 or 3 of them. Or make sure you don't cross out 3 of them. And you see how many you need to cross out. So we know that 3 plus 9 equals 12, and 12 minus 9 is 3. Okay? So what is the missing number in the equation? Something plus 4 equals 9. So we know 9 is our total. So let's start with 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we're going to take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We know that it's going to be 5 because that's what's left. 5 plus 4 equals 9. So let's take a look at this. 14 minus 7 equals 7. Well, it gives us the answer here, but let's take a look. There's 14 dots, and we're going to subtract 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 left. Okay, let's take a look at this one. We're going to kind of count up. We need to get to 12. We already have 4. So let's count up to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So let's see how many we counted up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We counted up 8. And you can go through and cross them out if you wanted to. You could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So, and again, if you want to use the counters, you're welcome to, but you don't need to. Even though it says on here, draw counters to show your work, some of you might be able to do it without actually needing to draw some counters. So let's take a look at this. Something minus 9 equals 8. Well, we need to find our total here. So we have 9 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Plus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now let's figure out our total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So we have 17 total. 17 minus 9, let's check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 equals 8. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, that's correct. Something equals 8 plus 3. So let's do our 8 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, plus 3 more. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 is going to be our total. Now you might notice that I'm kind of doing it like how we do 10 frames. Oops, I kind of went through the middle there. But they're kind of like 10 frames. I'm trying to put them in rows of 5 so that it's easier for me to go through and count them. Something plus 6 equals 12. Now our total is here. That's how many we need to have. So we need to have a total of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So our total is 12. And we know that something plus 6 equals 12. So we're going to subtract 6 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's count how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we know 6 plus 6 equals 12. Okay? Whatever is after the equal sign or before the equal sign that we know is going to be either our sum or our difference is the total number of counters we need. So we know on here we need 15 total counters. 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We got to get to 15. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now it's 8 plus something. So I'm actually going to cross out 8 of these to figure out what the other number is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I've crossed out 8. Now I need to figure out what this is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 8 plus 7 equals 15. Okay. All right. So 14 minus something equals 6. So we're going to try and get the largest number we have up here. Okay. 14. So let's do 14 and subtract 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now we're going to take 6 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And let's see how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we know that 14 minus 8 equals 6. Okay? All right, now this one is 11 minus 8. I'm going to go with the largest number here is 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 minus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see how many are left. 1, 2, 3. 3 are left. Okay, number sense. Write the missing number to make each equation true. So this should be something that we can use our mental math. 9 plus something equals 19. Well, we have a 9 in the ones, a 9 in the ones. We have a 1 in the tens, so we have one group of tens. One group of tens is 10. Okay, something minus 10 equals 9. Let's take a look at this as a whole fact family. 9, 9, 10, 10, 19, 19. 19 minus 10 equals 9. Okay, 20 equals something plus 10. So I'm going to go 10 plus 10 I know is 20, and 20 minus 10 is 10. Okay, all right, let's take a look at our last page here. Okay, solve each number story. Write the missing numbers. Use counters if needed. Okay, Adam wants to visit 13 states on a road trip. He has visited 7 states so far. How many states does Adam have left to visit? So the largest number is 17. He's already gone to 7 states. So we need to figure out if we're going to add or subtract. Now 13 plus 7 is going to be larger than 13. And 13 is the total. So we know that we don't want to add. We're going to need to subtract. So 13 minus 7 is going to be 6 and 6 states. And again, you can do your counters, draw pictures along the side. Number 11, Chelsea makes costumes for her dance class. She needs to make 11 costumes in all. She has 4 costumes left to make. How many costumes did Chelsea already make? So 11's our total. And she has 4 left to make. So we need to figure out on this one, 4 plus what is going to equal 11? So what I can do is she started 4. We need to stop at 11. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So she has 7 more costumes left to make. Okay, our higher order thinking. Find the missing number in the equation 5 plus something equals 14. Then write a story that matches it. So 5 plus something equals 14. So our total is 14. We can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, plus 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we are going to subtract 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's figure out how many are left first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5 plus 9 equals 14. So we're going to write a story. So you could say, I have 5 buttons. how many more do I need to have 14 buttons? And again, you can make up your own sentence on what you'd like to have. Okay, in our assessment, we're going to match each number with the equation it is missing from. Okay, so we're going to try and match these up. 17 minus something equals 7. Well, 17 minus 10 equals 7. Something plus 6 equals 12. Well, I know that 6 plus 6 equals 12. And again, this is an assessment, so if you want to pause the video and answer these and then come back and check them, you're welcome to. 4 plus something equals 13. Well, I'm going to look at my two choices that are left. 4 plus 3 equals 13? No, 4 plus 3 equals 7. So I know that 4 plus 9 must equal 13. And then 3 minus 1 equals 2. All right, great job, everybody.